I just created this full product promo video in just a few minutes. No filming, no videographer, no voiceover, no editing. It was all created with one AI tool called Rocket Videos. And in this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how I made this video and how you can do the same in just a few minutes. Now, this isn't just another AI tool. This is a complete video production platform that can create client product promo videos in a fraction of the time. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how I created this sofa promo video, but I've also created videos for cake shops and landscaping companies. Effectively, you can create almost any type of video you can think of with this tool, and it'll do every single part of it for you. I want to show you how Rocket Videos works and why this tool is so important if you want to create product promo videos without doing any of the heavy lifting. Okay, so let's get to it. Let me show you how this actual process works from start to finish and what you can create with Rocket Videos. Now, the first thing I want to say is you can create pretty much anything you want. I'm going to create a promo video here, but you have free reign to ask for any type of video. And there are several different video types, which I'm going to show you in a second. So you can literally create educational videos, you can create tutorials, promos, whatever you want can be created with Rocket Videos. Now, all we need to do first is prompt or tell Rocket Videos what we want to create. Now, I have a one sentence ask here. So I'm going with create a video for a luxury sofa company called Meridian that sells sofas via e-commerce. I'm going to leave this as English. In fact, no, let's change this to English United Kingdom. Again, you can choose any country language you want. And then we have the option to create with stock images or AI. I want AI generation, so I'm going full AI here. We then have video type. So you can choose to create a story, explainer, a pitch, a tutorial, promo, realty. So these are video types, and these will work for any type of industry and for pretty much any type of content you want to create. In my case, what I want really fits with a promo. So I'm going to create a promo video. You've then got the option to include a character or characters within your video. So if you're creating a story, and again, there's tons of tutorials inside of Rocket Videos that shows you this. You can create really cool cartoon stories, educational videos, all of this stuff. You can include characters within the actual content and within the video. And these are consistent characters, so they'll look the same throughout the actual video, which is amazing. I don't want a character for my video here, so I'm going to turn that off. I just want promo sofas. I want to see sofas. That's what I want to see. So once you're happy with that, we click on generate. Now what's happening now is the AI engine within Rocket Videos is going to create us a full video overview. It's going to do the work. It's going to show us this is how I recommend we create your video. So here we go. So we've got a content outline here. So we've got a series of scenes here. If there's an element in here we're not happy with, so for example, if we were not happy with so I don't want a hashtag. So I'm going to change this logo animation with the, let's go company name, Meridian. So I don't want a hashtag there. I've misspelt that as well. There we go. As the final elegant touch, I'm going to save that. So you can edit these scenes up if it isn't quite what you're looking for. You can also add as well. Over here, we choose whether we want landscape, square or portrait. I'm going landscape. You can change the video type if you want at this stage. So if you do want to change it to something else, you can. We've then got a style preset. So we can choose from different styles of videos here of how the video will be styled or the images will be styled. I'm going to go to photography here. And then finally, if you want to add any additional instructions, there are some prompts down here you can use or similar. You can add those there. I don't want to here. I'm happy with everything. The only other thing before I click on next here, I'll just click save, is that if you did include characters in your video, they will appear up here. So they'll be produced for you. So you can then decide if it's a character you like or you want to regenerate it, whatever. They will appear up here. And you can add characters at this stage if you want as well. I am happy with this. So I'm going to click next. Now, what's going to happen now is it's going to take me through and build a storyboard. Now, this storyboard isn't just going to be text. This is going to produce imagery for every single one of these scenes. And there's going to be multiple images for some of these scenes as well. And it's going to generate all of that with AI. As you can see here, we've got a bunch of images already being created. So as we go through here, you can see how quick they're being generated. And I've got sofas, I've got close-ups here. Look, we've got an opening shot of a sofa and a couple of chairs. That looks great. More sofas down here, different types, which is what I want. It's a promo. And then down at the bottom here, we have a shop. Now I don't quite like this image here. Scanning through all of these, you can see how quick it's produced these images. I'm pretty happy with them all. The only one I don't like is this bottom one here, which is our shop now. And it's an e-com, so it's a call to action. The logo's not right, so I wouldn't probably use this. So I'm actually going to remove this. Delete that particular scene because I love this closing scene. Look, it's produced a logo for me. Now, if you want to upload your own images at this stage, you can click on edit media and you can upload your own here or add stock, or you can edit this as well. I'm not going to go into all the editing features on this video because it'll take me too long, but you can do whatever you want. You can add things to images, you can remove stuff. So if I wanted to remove, say, I'm not going to, but if I wanted to remove this person from the background of this image, I can edit it and I can remove that person. So again, all of that is editable and everything can be customized how you like. Now, I like all the images. I'm going to leave them as is. If you want to change them, you want to regenerate them as well, you can come down here, you can change up the prompt and you can click on regenerate media and it will regenerate this image. However, I'm happy with that. Over on this right hand side, we've got background music. So we've got a music track, which I'm just going to play. I do like that, but I think it's going to have, because it's featuring a person, it's going to have somebody singing or rapping or something like that. So I don't want that because I want a narrator for this. So I'm going to change the music here. So again, here's the music library. We can go through, pick our own, or you can upload your own over here as well. So let me go to acoustic here and let me just go with nice violin acoustic, no singing on that. I'm going to choose that one. So let me click save. After every one of these changes, you want to just click save just to make sure you lock that in. So I'm changing the background music to that. Again, you can remove the background music as well. So you can just click on that icon. It will remove it entirely. Now, what Rocket Videos also has is the ability to create voiceovers. And that's this area here. So on each of these slides you see, or these storyboards, you will see a section called narrator. And this is the voiceover, if you will. This is the script. So on the very beginning, for example, it starts off with experienced, refined comfort with Meridian. That's my company. And then the next scene, every cushion promises unrivaled comfort. So you can see the narration from every single one of these scenes. Now, you can come in and edit this as well. So if you're not happy with, I clicked on the prompt there, but if you're not happy with, say, this, you can click on the pencil, you can create a different bit of narration. You can come through and completely edit this entire thing. For the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it as it's done it. Once we're happy with it, which I am, you can then choose a voice. Now, the voice it's given me
impediments to a restart
is Alfie, and I don't think I like that voice, so I'm going to change this. So they have voice selection in here as well. So you can choose any of their voices in here. They've got absolutely tons. If you want a female voice, you can choose female, male, for example. And again, if you want to upload your own voice, you can train your own voice inside of Rocket Videos as well. But you can also hook in 11 Labs as well. I have not done that, which is why you're seeing errors. But you can hook in 11 Labs if you want to use voices from there. So I'm going to choose Aria there, click select voice. So we've now changed the narration. We click on generate voiceover. And this is going to take a few seconds, but it's going to basically create a voiceover for our video based off of all of those narration elements. So it's now going to be taking these narration elements throughout every single scene, turning it into a voiceover. And it's as quick as that. It's done. Now we've got a pause section here. So you can add a pause after each scene. I'm going to actually move this down to 0.1. I actually think 0.1 works better than the default what they set. But if you do want it longer, that's up to you. But we're pretty much ready to go. Now, there's only one thing we need to do. Currently, these are all images, but we want to turn these into video. So what we now need to do is click on generate video, and it will turn that image into a video using this prompt. Now, again, you can edit these prompts as well. So if you're not happy with the prompts, you can just edit them, and you just go through and you go and click through generate video. Now, the reason it does it like this is so that if you actually just want an image in your video and some videos and you want to combine, you can. If I left that, it would just be an image, for example, but I am going to turn every single one of these into a video. Should we go with that one? Now, let's leave this one as an image. Let's generate video on that one, and then our logo at the end, generate the video on that. Now, video generation can take some time here. All depends on how many videos you're generating. Once these are generated, they'll appear in here so you can press play to check them out. So all of the videos are now done. And again, you can click on any of them and it'll play for you. So you can see, again, great shots of a sofa there. And it's incredible to think this started out, I mean, it's all like AI. I didn't even have an image. It's created the image, and then the pan on the image, it just looks like a sofa commercial or advert from the TV. Now, if you are unhappy with any of the videos, sometimes it can go a bit wrong. You just click on regenerate video. You can also change up the prompt. You can change up the style and the shot whilst you are doing it as well. It gives you full control. Now, once we're happy with all of our videos, we can now click on next. And what happens now is you get put straight into an editor. And everything's been laid out for you. We've got our track down at the bottom here. We've got our actual narration, which is turned into captions. And we've also got our videos, and they will transition. So if I play this right now,
find comfort with Meridian. Every cushion promises unrivaled comfort.
Check this out.
Superior craftsmanship in every thread.
This is insane. We've got a full video. It's placed it in a timeline for us. We've not had to do anything at all. And we can effectively now come in here and edit whatever we want. Now, the first thing I want to edit is the captions. So as you can see here, there are built-in captions. Just clicking this is going to change them. You can design your own. I'm going to go with this one here. So this barb one here. I'm going to change the color of that. So on the captions, if you click on customize, you can then come down here and change the color. You can add whatever you want. I think I'm going to go with like yeah, that sort of yellow. I can add a stroke to it, which it's already got a black stroke there. You can move where it's at, anything. You can effectively do what you want. You can also, which is really cool, is you can have active word colors as well. So I'm going to add that because it's not on here. So if I just click on this, the word that's being spoken will then change color. You'll have seen this on TikTok videos and all sorts of videos. I am just going to make this one slightly lighter, but not fully white. Let's go with maybe that one there. So let me play this now, and you'll see that all the captions have now gone to this.
Superior craftsmanship in every thread. Explore its elegance from every side.
There we go. Amazing. On the media as well, we can add transition. So right now it has a simple fade transition. So you can again hover over these. It's going to show you the transition style. I really like the smooth fade transition. So I'm just going to click on that. In fact, it is already on smooth fade, but if it was on a different one, I'm going to keep it on smooth fade. I think that works best. But if you wanted to change it to another one, you can click on apply to all up here and it will apply it to the entire timeline. Now I'm happy with smooth fade, so I'm just literally going to click on save. Again, at this stage, if you did want to change it to square or portrait, you can do with one click, and then you can go through here and edit this up. I'm going to leave it as landscape, and I'm going to click on export, and that's all we have to do. So once your video's been rendered, it'll appear on your dashboard here. So here's the video we just created. You can click on the three dots and you can download. You can go in and edit this whenever you want as well. So if you want to go and edit it up or change it or add to it, you have the ability to do that as well. Here's the final video. So as I play and talk, you can hear the voiceover. And we've also got our violin acoustic sound behind that video as well. And again, I could probably make the violin sound or the music actually slightly louder. But again, I can go in now and edit that. But that's Rocket Videos, and that's how easy it is to create incredible videos, all with AI, in just minutes. Now, that's Rocket Videos, and there's a bunch of features that I've not been able to show you in this video, just because this video could run on for hours, literally. There's many different customization and editing settings and features you can use to really make your videos stand out when you're creating. Now, if you're interested in using Rocket Videos, check out a link in the description that'll take you through to a separate page where I've put a bunch more videos together to show you how this tool works, but also as well how you can actually gain access to everything I've shown you today for a one-time fee rather than paying monthly or a yearly subscription for it. Now, one other thing, Rocket Videos actually has a feature that allows you to white label the tool. So effectively, where you see Rocket Videos up here and in the URL, you can actually rebrand this under your own domain, under your own logo, your own brand, and you can add your own users in here. So effectively, you could resell this to your clients. You could give them direct access to your own Rocket Videos install, if you will, your own video SaaS platform, and charge them a monthly fee for access or pay-as-you-go credits, however you would want to do it. Now, I am going to show you how this white label system works via the link in the description. So if you're interested in this, if you're interested in using Rocket Videos, white label something that you could use, check out the link in the description. You'll go through to a page where not only I show you how you can gain access for a one-time fee, but how you can get access to the white label features under that same deal as well. Go and check it out. And again, you'll see how all of that works. Now, thank you for watching this video today. I hope you got some value out of this. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. I release video content regularly on how I'm using AI tools and different AI tools out there that you can use to help create content, but also grow and scale your business as well. And I'll see you in the next video.